Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2013 Volkswagen Touareg, stock number 5963. This ran from 07-2011 to 04-2018. It has a CRC 3 litre V6 turbo diesel engine backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is a CRC 3 litre V6 turbo engine. Left front 20-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Left front mirror. Left rear door with one scratch. Left rear 20-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 20-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Right rear door 2 dents and 1 crease. Right front 20-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door 1 dent. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. AC controls. Factory touchscreens. Satnav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke steering wheel. Instrument cluster.